This is a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, dusk sensing headlights, a security system, and this vehicle has less than 13,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Riverhead Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1419 23 Old Country Road in Riverhead.